Hello, so welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be talking about how to make emails work for you basically. Now first off, I'm going to be answering the question of how many emails should I send, and actually when should I send them. So there's really no rule of thumb for this. Honestly, there are statistics that show better responses to mails at certain times, but this is still not a guarantee. As you send emails and do some A/B testing, that's when you'll discover what works best for you and your niche. Now, when I say niche, I just mean industry. Whether it's fashion, whether it's tech, whether it's sports, whatever it is, people tend to respond to these emails differently according to statistics. You want to keep sending emails and you want to monitor those emails, and as you send those emails you also want to do some A/B testing. As you do these things, you get to understand how the audience for your business and for your industry responds to the kind of emails you send. So all of that is really all up to you to decide through your analysis. That's why monitoring your progress over time is really important. So just study your business, study the responses to your emails, and that will give you insight of how many emails and when you should send those emails. So what's my hack to making emails work for you? It's what I call value sell. This just means that you give more value than before, much more value before you initiate the sale. A lot of businesses don't want to give enough value, especially digital businesses. You want to open a WhatsApp group, you want to do things immediately, you don't spend time building value in your products, and let's not even talk about products, the content of your email. So you don't spend time trying to build email with real content, which will still boil down to you to actually creating content on your different social media handles. So a lot of people don't want to create value, they just want to sell immediately, and that's not what you want to do. It's a simple secret, it's a gem, and it works every time. You want to create more value than you actually sell. The law here is that there should be more value than the actual sale. Yes, the actual sale should seemingly have less value than the free value that you are given at the beginning. It's that free value that you're given that is going to help educate your clients, especially if it's a cold audience, and win over their trust to actually try out your product. So the first couple of emails you're sending to your new clients shouldn't be you trying to force a product down their throat. Give them value, give them links to your videos on YouTube, ask them questions about their business and what they're going through and where they need help. Give more value at the initial stages before you initiate a sale. So more value than sell. More value than sell. So finally, to cap off this video, we're going to be looking at some email marketing tools. Now, there's so many email marketing tools out there, but I'm only recommending things that I've used and platforms that I feel that are doing a really good job. So I've used literally every email marketing platform on your screen, and I can actually vouch for them. They are really good. For this course, we're going to be using MoveSend, so you can actually sign up for your accounts if you want to. We're going to be using MoveSend. You can check that out at movesend.com, or you use Campaign Monitor and all the likes that are here. Now, all these marketing tools are literally do the same thing at the end of the day. It just depends on what your preferences are. Some have extra features, but it's still the basic process. Now, if you understand how to use one, then trust me, you're going to understand how to use literally every email marketing tool that you come across. And then one thing you should know is that these email marketing tools don't come for free. You'll probably be prompted to make monthly payments, or you'll be given 30-day free trials. You could get a free account, but it's going to have a lot of limitations. But then you want to start thinking of signing up for these email marketing tools, especially if you're a business that doesn't have it. So we'll be ending the video at this point. Hope you enjoyed it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video.